Okay, YouTube, maybe you guys can help me with this. I had 3 Brussels sprout plants regrow from last year. The winter didn't kill them. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're growing flowers. Anybody know if that's what they do? This one over here, it had Brussels sprouts starting last year. But now, as you can see, it's growing stems. Right down through there. All the Brussels sprouts grew stems. These Brussels sprouts just opened up. Seems like these plants are going to trash. Never heard of any of them regrowing. I always heard of the winter killing them all. Alright guys, please let me know.